Imagine for a moment that it's a really chilling morning and you get a hot adrak tea in your hand. Isn't it tasty? But actually, it is not. Friends, I don't have any problem with the tea. But the problem, especially in India, of the tea is more than it seems. And today I'll give you some of the examples that why consumption of the tea is I am comparing with like a comparison of taking or consuming drugs. Hi, my name is Bhupendra and I'm an online fitness coach and I help people to reduce their stubborn fat and I give them help and I help them to change their overall personality and I give them an extraordinary lifestyle. Friends, tea is one of the medicine which is written in many of the old books that the tea is really good for your health. But the way we are consuming the tea or the companies which they are how they are marketing the tea is not a good way of the marketing. If we talk about the green tea or the organic tea, then definitely it is really good for your health. But once you mix milk into it and after that you mix sugar into it, then it becomes a socially approved drug. Why? If I ask you to quit your tea in morning especially, then can you do? I guarantee you that 95% people are going to say, no, I cannot. I used to be the same person. I was keep on changing my dietitian from one dietitian to another, from one dietitian to another, but still I was not getting any clue that why my weight is not getting reduced because the fat increasing hormone insulin was too much in my body. And the way I was consuming the tea, I used to consume 5 tea. And the first very initiative which I took to change a big makeover in my health was that once I left the tea from my life. Now it's been more than a year that I don't consume tea regularly. It means that whenever I go to meet any relatives, on that time I can consume, but on regularly basis I do not consume. I prefer to consume tea. For the first time, it was really hard. But once I took the action, you're not gonna believe that within a week I lost almost 1 kg, and in a month, without doing any workout or without doing anything else, I have started reducing my weight up to 2 kg. You can also do it. Once I adapted this habit that right now I'm not consuming any kind of sugar, that's why right now I am able to do my all the job done. That's why I'm not nowadays I'm able to do the keto diet, intermittent fasting without any problems, because insulin is the one hormone which going to instruct your mind that I want food so the cell can consume. But whether you want or whether you desire or whether your body desire or not, so that's why you also need to take precaution that if you are trying to lose your fat but still you are not getting any result, it means that you have to take some hard action, especially towards the sugar, especially towards the tea. I don't have any problem with the tea, but the milk and the sugar could be the problem. That's why I advise you to consume thin tea, which means that the 50% water, 50% milk, and zero sugar. If you cannot have the zero sugar, then consume along with stevia. If you cannot consume along with stevia, then use 30% of stevia, 30% of 70% of stevia and 30% of sugar, and change your habit, and I guarantee you that you will reach your health goals very fast. Friends, if you want to lose your weight up to 10 kg or if you want to change your life and live a extraordinary lifestyle and want to build a new relationship with your food, then you can contact me or you can join me directly. I can help you out to lose up to 10 kg or I can help you out to complete your health journey as you want. Friends, This is Bhupendra signing out for now. I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.